In this video, I will show you how you can create a profile from Checks and Fixups. Just as a reminder, a check in pdfToolbox will analyze a PDF file and a Fixup will modify or correct it. And if you want to apply or run multiple checks and or Fixups to a document, it would be really time consuming if you would do it step by step. So that's where profiles come in, because a profile is a collection of checks and or Fixups, so you can run them all in one step. If you open the profile window, as you can see here, it will show you first a list of all the predefined profiles in pdfToolbox. So let me zoom in a little bit. A profile in pdfToolbox will always have this blue icon here, and this also, it's just a small detail but can be helpful, is also or shows you what is part of a profile. So here you have these two blue circles, and that means that your profile, or that this profile in that example, has checks and Fixups in it. The one here at the bottom has only the top circle, and that means it only contains checks. And if it would have the circle at the bottom, that would mean, of course, it only has Fixups. So if you want to create a new check, a new profile in pdfToolbox, you can use this menu here and say Create Profile. And this will open the profile window, and as you can see, you have here a lot of setting options, and it's a really complex dialog, but for this video I will focus on the custom Fixups and custom checks. So here in the custom Fixup tab I have two sections. The left one is a list of all the Fixups that are part of my profile. We started from scratch, therefore it's empty, of course. And here on the right I have a list of all the Fixups that are part of my current library. I'm not limited to these Fixups in the current library. You can see here I have a drop-down menu where I can also select a different library and include Fixups from there as well. If I want to include something to my profile, I can use this blue arrow key here at the bottom. And if I click that, you can see pdfToolbox will move or copy this Fixup to my profile. And I can do that with as many as I want. So as you can see, all of them will be added to my list. If there is not a Fixup that suits my use case, I can also create a new Fixup directly here in the profile window. I can either use this plus icon here on the right to save it in my current library, and then I have to include it again. Or what is maybe more convenient is to create it here on the left so that it will also directly be inserted into my profile. And if I have selected one of my Fixups, you can also see that I have the option to enable or disable a Fixup. So if I disable it, it is still part of my profile, but it will not be executed. And if I accidentally add some Fixup that I don't want to be part of my profile, I can also use this icon here at the bottom, so it will be removed from my profile. And if I now switch to the custom check tab, you can see it's a quite similar UI. You also have here the list for the profile. You have a list of all the existing checks in the library. You can use the arrow key to add as many as you want. So pretty straightforward. Here for the checks there is one difference or one additional setting that you can specify, and that is the severity level. The severity level defines how a check will be reported in my result or in a report. So you can see here at the bottom I have 3 different options to set the severity. It could be an arrow, that is something that is really an issue. It could be a warning, something that could be an issue, so it needs to be decided if it's okay or not, or an info that just provides further details. So if I change that, you can see the icon will also change here, and now the severity for this check has been updated. And maybe you ask also what will run first. If you have fix-ups and checks in your profile, and maybe this is also a good reminder, it's the same as you can see it here in the UI. First, all fix-ups will be executed, and then pdfToolbox will run all the checks to validate my PDF file.